Okay guys, we're back on Sidney Island and I've come over with Harry and we're gonna shoot a brand new lot. Let's go check it out. So what do you need to know about this lot? Okay, it's 1.7 acres. You've got a shared well, you've got a nice little storage shed up there, you've got a cleared building site, and then you've got this amazing view. And the really cool thing about this view is that you're not looking at any type of development. At night, there are no lights. You're looking at Mandarte, it's a bird sanctuary, Halibut Island, it's First Nations, and then down to the United States, and there's just no houses. So it feels like you're in the middle of nowhere. So it's pretty special. Anyway, I'm just sitting down on the waterfront. Harry's flying the drone right now. And I think what I'm gonna do while he's getting some amazing footage of the lot is I'm gonna just hike up to the building site and show you guys that. Like I said, Harry's busy down there flying the drone, and I'm standing on the really nice flat building site. I don't know if you can see that behind me, but it's this really gorgeous plateau, a little hedge of salal in the middle, but sweet spot to build your home. And you can actually see in the background there, you see those bricks back there? Sidney Island actually used to be a brick factory a long, long time ago. And so those are Sidney Island bricks. All right guys, I am starving, Harry's starving. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna head over to the pond where every Friday night in the summer, we have an appy night. So come on, let's go get some food. So I always get lots of questions. How do you get here? What do you do when you get here? Okay, I'm gonna answer those questions. So besides obviously getting here by boat, which you saw earlier, this is the other option. This is a really fabulous landing strip. It's 3,000 feet, it's convex, it's grass, it's very well maintained, so that's an option. I really love my electric bike on the island, especially in the summertime, or pretty much everyone's got an F-150 on the island that we barge over, and that's for getting material around, just driving to and from, whatever else. Anyway, let's go down the landing strip and head to the appy night. The really unique thing about Sidney Island is the community. Everyone gets along. Every single Friday night we have this appy night. We have all sorts of events throughout the summer and even the winter for that matter. And it's a real community. I live here full time. I can't say enough good things about this place. Call me, let's book a showing for lot 46 and get you guys over here.